Looking for the best drones for kids? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Potensic Mini Drone A20RC Nano Quadcopter. Pros: especially affordable. Child-sized controller. Takes off and lands with one button. Surprisingly durable. Features 3 speed levels. Convenient headless mode for learning to fly. Cons: no camera. Bottom line: simple, yet fun. The A20 Mini drone is an inexpensive little model that kids will enjoy flying for 10 minutes at a time between recharges. At number 2. Force One Scoot LED Drone. Pros: affordable. Bright LED lighting. Hands-free operation. Sensors actively avoid obstacles. Extremely easy to control. Performs tricks. Available in red and blue and green. Cons: with a maximum battery life of nearly 9 minutes, it must be recharged often. Bottom line: between the Scoot LED's simple control scheme and safe design, this model is a top pick for kids 8 and older. At number 1. DJI Ryze Tech Tello. Pros: easy to perform exciting tricks. Simple controls. Innovative VR control option. Max flight time of 13 minutes. Sharp 5MP camera and 720p video. Lightweight. Low battery alert. Cons: its maximum flight distance of 100 meters could be better. Bottom line: with its feature-packed design and ability to pull off a range of awesome tricks, the Tello is the best model for teaching kids how to fly a drone. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.